Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Twitter. Access your account securely step by step clearly. Open the Twitter app on your phone or go to Twitter.com in a trusted web browser on your computer. Check that the address bar shows the correct domain and a secure connection before entering any details. Tap or click Login to start the sign-in process. Choose whether you want to sign in with your phone number, email address, or username. Type your phone number, email, or username carefully to avoid login errors. Enter your password exactly as you created it, paying attention to uppercase and special characters. Tap or click Login to submit your information. If Twitter asks for additional verification, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm it is you. If you use two-factor authentication, open your Authenticator app to get the current code. Enter the two-factor code quickly before it expires. If you receive an SMS code, check your messages and type the code into the verification field. If you use a security key, connect it and approve the login when prompted. If Twitter shows a suspicious login warning, stop and verify the location and device details. If the details do not match you, select the option to secure your account immediately. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password. Enter your email, phone number, or username to search for your account. Choose how you want to receive the password reset link or code. Open the reset email or message and follow the link only if it comes from an official Twitter address. Create a strong new password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Log in again using your updated password after the reset is complete. Go to Settings and Privacy to review your security and account access options. Enable two-factor authentication if it is not already turned on for stronger protection. Review connected apps and revoke access for anything you do not recognize. Check your login history to confirm only your devices have accessed the account. Turn on login alerts if you want to be notified about new sign-ins. Avoid saving your password in browsers you do not control, especially on public computers. Log out after finishing if you are not using your personal device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.